I'm gonna take you through a bench press. For a barbell bench press, you don't have to go very heavy. What I like to see is a concentrated movement as you go through. So the setup for this one, I'm gonna take an exercise bench, just a basic bench, and have that up to a rack. So today I've got my rack on my Smith machine, and this is the free bar here now. I wanna make sure you stay safe with this and that you protect your lower back. So we're gonna do just a small arch. A lot of times you'll see power lifters lifting their hips all the way up all the way up here. And I don't want that because that puts a lot of extra strain. So you're gonna keep your glutes, butt stays on the bench, shoulders slightly retract. So scapular retraction there as you're grabbing the bar, and feet are planted down nice and firm. So you have this little bit of an arch, not excessive, but not pressing totally flat either. So just more of a natural arch when you're doing the bench press. And you're gonna come up and off and keep your shoulder blades pulling together as you come down and back up. And your elbows are something I wanna watch. I don't want you splaying elbows out or keeping them turned too far in. A natural 45-degree angle is what you're looking for. Your grip on the bar should be just a bit wider than shoulders, and I want you to keep your wrist straight and the bar directly above your wrists and your elbows. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, I would love it if you would hit like on that and subscribe. And then what's up next? Make sure you check out this video.